Good evening everybody, and welcome back to episode 170 of Enter Crypto, where twice a day I keep you informed and fully up to date on all things crypto. If that sounds like something you would be interested in, then subscribe to the channel. I put out a new video every 12 hours. So today we're going to be talking about an article from the Daily Hodls, News and Insight for the Digital Economy. It's written by Alex Richardson and it's titled Altcoin Built to Boost Bitcoin Explodes as Veteran Crypto Investor Says that Overlooked Opportunities Await. So let's jump straight to the article and we'll comment during and possibly after. A Bitcoin-focused crypto asset is in the midst of a powerful price jump as the overall digital asset markets continue to turn green. Stacks STX is a layer 1 blockchain that aims to boost the utility of Bitcoin by enabling smart contracts, DeFi activity, NFTs and other applications to the flagship cryptocurrency. Early on Sunday, Chris Berniske, who accurately called the bottom of the crypto market in November, said that while Ethereum has massive amounts of layer 2 projects on it, Bitcoin so far only has 2 big projects. And he names Stacks and Lightning, Bitcoin's most popular payments sidechain network. A plethora of highly valued layer 2 competition on Ethereum, while Bitcoin really only has Stacks and Lightning in the general purpose layer 2 race, thus far. Hours later, Stacks' native token, ticker STX, exploded roughly 110% in less than a day, running from 35 cents to 77 cents. Berniske soon acknowledged the rally and said that his firm held STX as an investment. Repricing of overlooked opportunities happens fast in crypto, and yes, we hold STX. My guess is that he's probably, I bet he should have really disclosed that he was holding STX before he started tweeting about it and saying that it was, so good. At the time of writing, STX has corrected to the 57 cent range, currently with a market cap of $781 million. Berniske, partner at venture capital firm Placeholder and former ARK Invest executive, previously called for several narratives to drive the next crypto bull market. The crypto veteran said, obvious hype themes into next expansion. Bridging and multi-chain services. AI meets blockchain, and app chains and sector chains. Berniske also mentioned data availability layers or systems that store and provide consensus on the availability of data on a blockchain. So just to quickly go through that, bridging and multi-chain services was number one. Bridging and multi-chain services is basically being able to swap assets between 2 native blockchains. That's, say for example, like you've got Bitcoin and Ethereum, trying to get them to talk to each other, the 2 networks. Very difficult because Bitcoin is deaf and dumb. It can't. It doesn't have the option to bridge over to it. We usually have to have a burn address and send the Bitcoin to a smart contract that then issues wrapped Bitcoin on the Ethereum network and vice versa. And it releases some Bitcoin when you want to do it the opposite way. But that's not a real. It's a bridge of sorts, but it's not the true interoperable ones that we talk about when we talk about Polkadot, Ethereum and things like Cosmos. Berniske, and then AI, which is obvious artificial intelligence, meeting and blockchain. And then number 3 is app chains and sector chains, and that's kind of like, for example, food. If you want to look into the food supply and you want to be able to verify that, say, the meat that you bought in the shop really does come from the farm that it says on the label, you will be able to somehow, it'll be tracked using blockchain technology, just like you can verify transactions in crypto when it comes to the money or the currency side of things. You can do the same with other data and verify that it is in fact come from that particular farm that is supposed to have, and it's or eggs or something like that. So you can basically follow it through the supply chain and know, and that might be important for a lot of people who want to know where the food come from, and whether it's been ethically sourced and things like that. So the former ARK Invest analyst clarified what he means by a hype theme, Given how some are responding, I should clarify that a hype theme is a theme experiencing its first major cycle in the limelight. It'll have some very real protocols pursuing the opportunity, as well as many other grifter protocols slipstreaming the theme. So what he's talking about here is real protocols that are pursuing the opportunity, so real AI, real projects, and then you're going to have what's called grifter protocols, or grifters are basically trying to piggyback that. So if AI, for example, is a popular narrative at the moment, which it is, then you'll get people just releasing tokens and calling them AI when they don't have a real working project, and that's a grifter. They're basically just piggybacking off the narrative in the hope to, and they can be very successful actually, as far as financially successful. The project is a nonsense project, so it's not successful in the fact that it's integrating AI or anything else into it. They just call themselves AI. Another article, just another quick point, that they were saying that early on Sunday, Chris Beniska were accurately called the bottom of the crypto market. Nobody knows when the bottom is in, and nobody knows when the top is in. So it's nonsense to say that he called the bottom, because you don't even know if tomorrow we go down 80% or over the next few days. So that wouldn't have been the bottom. Next week would be the bottom. So it's just giving him clout when it's not warranted. Actually, it's just not warranted. When you spend any amount of time trading, you'll realize how difficult, it's almost impossible to call the bottom and call the top. And if you do it, if you're a good trader, you'll recognize just how lucky you were when you did it, because sometimes you may weigh up the probabilities of it being a low price, and you'll get in because of that. You're not aiming for the bottom, although it's very nice if you could, but you'll just aim for the lowest price that you think you might be able to get that particular cryptocurrency or foreign exchange, whatever it is that you want to buy. And then you may find out later that you bought the bottom, and that's brilliant obviously, but you should not be putting that down to your own intelligence or that you knew when the bottom was going to happen, because it's not, it's almost impossible. But a great, happy, by being intelligent and by understanding that you can't pick the bottom, but you can probabilistically, make a trade when it's to go in your favor. You can increase the chances that you, by chance, hit the bottom or buy the bottom, and sell the top as well. So that's what I've got for you this evening, guys. Thank you for watching as always, and thank you for listening. Remember, everybody, to please subscribe to the channel, join my team. I'll keep you updated on all things crypto every 12 hours. Don't forget to smash the like button if you feel you got value from this video, and I'll see you all in 12 hours time.